Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a compound inequality, writing the answer in interval notation, and graphing the solution on a number line. Here is the problem. Solve 5x minus 3 is less than negative 13. Or 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7. Before we solve, here is the key rule for or compound inequalities. We solve each inequality separately. The solution is the union of both solution sets. And we use the union symbol to join the two intervals. Step 1. Add 3 to both sides of each inequality at the same time. On the left side, 5x minus 3 plus 3 gives us 5x. And negative 13 plus 3 gives us negative 10. So the left side becomes 5x is less than negative 10. On the right side, 5x minus 3 plus 3 gives us 5x. And 7 plus 3 gives us 10. So the right side becomes 5x is greater than or equal to 10. Step 2. Divide both sides of each inequality by 5. Since we are dividing by a positive number, the inequality signs stay the same. On the left, x is less than negative 2. On the right, x is greater than or equal to 2. Those are our two solutions. Now let's write the answer in interval notation. Our combined solution is x is less than negative 2. Or x is greater than or equal to 2. For x less than negative 2, we write open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, negative 2, close parenthesis. We use a parenthesis because negative 2 is not included. Infinity always gets a parenthesis too. For x greater than or equal to 2, we write open bracket, 2, comma, infinity, close parenthesis. We use a bracket because 2 is included. Joined together with the union symbol, the final answer is negative infinity to negative 2, union, bracket 2 to infinity. Now let's graph the solution on a number line. For x less than negative 2, we place an open circle at negative 2 because it is not included, and shade everything to the left. For x greater than or equal to 2, we place a closed dot at 2 because it is included, and shade everything to the right. The two shaded rays point in opposite directions. That is the union. Let's recap everything. We started with 5x minus 3 less than negative 13. Or 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 7. Adding 3 to both sides gave us 5x less than negative 10 on the left. And 5x greater than or equal to 10 on the right. Dividing by 5 gave us x less than negative 2 on the left. And x greater than or equal to 2 on the right. In interval notation the answer is negative infinity to negative 2, union, bracket 2 to infinity. On the number line we have an open circle at negative 2 shading left. And a closed dot at 2 shading right. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.